Hey guys, good morning. Got a 2018 Kawasaki Mule Pro FXT with some worn out seats. So if your seats look like this, just gonna do a quick video today on some seat covers from Stark Night MT, and super easy to put on. Looks like they're gonna be some great covers, weatherproof and very durable material. So stick around. All right, so I've already got the screws out that the strings are attached to from the factory, so make this quick and easy. So I've got some nice camo seat covers. All right, on the back side, it's got these Velcro straps. Do that. Now let's get this on there and see how it fits. I mean, it just goes right over the seat. Super easy. We're going to tighten up these Velcro straps. This is going to give our side-by-side a great, nice, clean look. It's going to look great. Just like that. Man, it's night and day. I've also got a back cover. Let's get that put on. Back seat cover, same thing. Couple Velcro straps on the back side. Gonna take those loose. This one has the nice Stark Night emblem right there on the front, so you know you're not putting it upside down. So let's get this on there. And you shouldn't have to remove anything. We're just gonna get it fit on there. I'm gonna go under the seat belt. All right, all in all, very nice seat covers. Right there, these are gonna be nice when you get on there. They're not gonna be sticky if you're wet. If it gets rained on, the water's gonna roll off, and I'll show you that. Just Velcro's right in the back. Super nice fit. Nice and snug, and these seat covers will fit the rear seats as well. So get 2 sets of them, and that way you can just throw it on the front and back, have everything matching. It'll look great. All right, so got some water here. You know you're going to be riding this thing and it's going to get wet, so look at that. Just rolls right off of it. Rolls right off of it. You see how it's pulled up, not soaking into the material. That's what you want. Just a quick walk around. So I just wiped that water right off. Very nice material. No more torn up seats. Adds years of life to this machine. One more thing. A lot of times we jump in these machines, you got a set of keys hanging on your belt. You got a knife in your pocket. Of course, they're gonna scratch, right? Well, I don't have keys on me, but I've got this screw. You jump in. I mean, look at that. It doesn't even leave marks. These are tough, durable seat covers. I would definitely pick you up a set of them. One more thing. A lot of times we jump in these machines, you got a set of keys hanging on your belt. You got a knife in your pocket. Of course, they're gonna scratch, right? Well, I don't have keys on me, but I've got this screw. You jump in. I mean, look at that. It doesn't even leave marks. These are tough, durable seat covers. I would definitely pick you up a set of them. You guys want a seat cover for any weather condition? Something that's super easy. Upgrade your mule or any UTV that you have. Check these out.